Is your HP LaserJet Pro refusing to scan? Don't worry, in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you the quickest fixes that solve this problem for most users. First, make sure your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. Then open the HP Smart app and verify that your printer appears online. If it says offline, reconnect it before trying to scan again. Next, restart both your computer and the printer. Turn the printer off for 30 seconds before turning it back on. A simple restart often clears temporary communication issues. If scanning still doesn't work, install the latest HP printer software and scanner drivers. Outdated drivers are one of the most common reasons your scanner stops responding after Windows updates. Windows users should also make sure the Windows Image Acquisition Service, also called WIA, is running. Without this service, your computer cannot communicate with the scanner. After completing these steps, try scanning again using HP Smart. In most cases, the scanner begins working immediately. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other HP printer troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching!